Hello guys, welcome back to part 2 of the System.io tutorial for beginners. Now, if you're an affiliate marketer or an online business owner, then you need to understand the importance of having your own custom domain and also having your own personalized email address. Now, this is very much essential after the 2024 Gmail and Yahoo updates, where bulk senders require their own custom domains and also their own email address associated with these custom domains. So you can't send any emails using your own free email addresses like Gmail and Yahoo. All these emails sent from these free email addresses will be sent straight to spam. And almost all autoresponders won't allow you to have your own free email addresses to send emails on their platform. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to do the custom domain setup in your System.io and also how to verify your personal email address in System.io. So let's get straight to my screen. So before that, if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that you get the very first notification whenever I upload my videos. So this is the System.io dashboard, and if you've not got your free System.io account, then you can always check the link in the description box below. So once you go to your System.io dashboard, so you can go over here, and under this you have this settings button. Click on the settings button, and under the profile, first you need to do your complete entry of all details. So you can add your image, you can add your display name, your address, your country, your phone number, and all those stuff. And you can click on save. And after that, you can go to your account, and under the account, you can set your time zone and your date format and also your time format. And then you can have the save button over here, and you can click on the save to make sure that everything is saved. Next, you go straight to your custom domains. Now, under this, you can see there are two custom domains. So this is the subdomain given by System.io. I would recommend you not to use this for your email sending purposes. And this is the custom domain that I have created under Bluehost. If you want to learn more about how to get your custom domain, you can always refer to the video to the top. If you click on the three dots, you can see this mark domain as default. So for now, this is the domain that is marked as default. So if you want to add a new domain, custom domain, you can always click on this add domain. Here you can always type in the domain name which you have bought from your hosting platform, which is either Bluehost or Namecheap. So you can add your domain over here, and you can click on the save button. So after clicking on the save button, you can see the status change to pending validation. So you can always click on the show instructions. So under this, you have this DNS configuration for your domain. Now, this is the DNS settings that has to be entered in your hosting provider. Now, in this case, it is Bluehost. Now, what you need to do is you have to log into your Bluehost account. So after you log into your Bluehost account, it looks like this, and you can click on the domains and click on my domains. Under my domains, you can see the affiliate with mono.com, which is the domain I have created using Bluehost. And this is the domain that I'm going to enter in System.io. So here you can go over to the manage option. Under manage, you can go to the DNS settings, and under the DNS settings, you can see the different records, right? Under the DNS manager, you can see the A records, and you can see the CNAME records, and you can see the MX and SRV, and you can also see the TXT records and the 4A records. So what is required? So if you go over here to the System.io, you can see the DNS configuration for your domain, which is two CNAME records which have to be entered. So just copy this whole thing and go to Bluehost, and under the CNAME records, click on add record, and here under the host record, you just paste this thing. And next to points to go back to your System.io and then copy this whole thing except for the dot, and then go back to your Bluehost account and then just paste over here. Now you can see the green tick appearing, which is that ensures that it is a correct record. And TTL, you can enter it as 4 hours minimum, and then you can click on the save button. So next is we have to go back, and here you can see the second CNAME record which we have to add, and you can just copy from here up till the dot and not the dot. Okay, just copy it and then go back to your Bluehost account and under the CNAME records, you can just paste over the host record. Go back to your system.io and then copy this entire thing up to AWS and go back to your host, and then under the points to just paste it. So after that, the green tick will appear and TTL will be 4 hours minimum, and then you can click on save. Once done, you can always click on the exit button, and this will take some time. It normally takes around 12 to 24 hours to get validated, and it will show the status as ready to use. And after that, you can always mark this domain as default so that this will remain your main domain for your business purpose. So that is how you enter your custom domain under system.io. Now, next step is to enter your personalized email address, which is associated with the custom domain which we have created, which in this case is affiliate with manu.com. Now, if you want to delete this, then you can always delete it over here with the 3 dots, and it will take some time to delete, like 5 to 10 minutes to progress, and then it will be deleted. And you can go back to emails, and under this emails, you can just go and click here to confirm your email address. So here you can add the email address which you want to use, and you can get it verified. So in this case, I've already verified my email address, and this is my email address. So you can always type the email address and click on save. So the status will change as pending. So once you have done that, you need to go back straight to your hosting provider where the email address has been created. Now, in this case, I have created my email address under Bluehost. Now, you need to go to Bluehost, and under the advanced section, click on advanced section. So you need to check your email inbox for email. So you can click on the email accounts, and you can go to your email. For example, I'm just going to click on this email. You can click on this open. In this inbox, you would have received an email from system.io for confirmation of the email address. So you can click on that email and you have a button, and you can always confirm from there. So once it is confirmed, you can go back to your system.io and you will see the status as verified. Now, this is how you verify your email address. So this is how you enter your custom domain in system.io and at the same time verify your email address. So stay tuned for my next video where I'm going to discuss about how to build a landing page in system.io. So please hit the subscribe button so that you get the very first notification whenever I upload my videos. So until then, bye.